Hi everyone! Welcome to my YouTube channel where you can find videos that will make math more fun and easy for you to become winner in numbers, winner in life. Hi! Once again, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is ROWEL CARPIO, a math teacher and a coach, and I do math tutorial in my YouTube channel. If you have been to my channel before, welcome back. And if it is your first time to visit my channel, hit the subscribe button found below and don't forget to hit the notification bell button for you to be notified every time I upload new video. And if you think that the content of my YouTube channel is worth sharing with others, don't forget to share it with them. And also, don't forget to leave a comment on the comment section found below. Gracias! This time, let me congratulate to the top 5 highest scorers during the first math battle live in my YouTube channel held on September 19, 2020. They are the following. Rank 1, Sarah R. Yakub. Rank 2, Arshad Zaid II El Kajirun. Rank 3, Chester Jan Guevara. Rank 4, Emmanuel S. Enriquez. And rank 5, Jacina Sencio Laji. Once again, congratulations to all of you. I hope that you will continue joining the math battle every Saturday at 7 in the evening. Thank you. So in this video, I'm going to present simple multiplication tricks part 2. So this is a continuation of the multiplication tricks that I have presented in my previous video. So let us begin. In the first multiplication trick that I am going to present, there are 3 conditions that we need to meet. First, both factors are 2-digit numbers. So let us check our examples. In our examples, all the factors are 2-digit numbers. So check. Number 2 condition, the sum of the ones digit of the 2 numbers is 10. So when we add the ones digit of the 2 factors, it must give us 10. So here, 8 plus 2 is 10. Check. 7 plus 3, 10. 9 plus 1, 10. 4 plus 6, 10. Check. Number 3, the 10th digit of the 2 numbers is the same. We have here 1 and 1. Check. 5 and 5. Check. 6 and 6. Check. 9 and 9. Check. So all of our examples meet the 3 conditions. So in other words, we can use the first multiplication trick in finding the product of this given example. So let's begin with number 1. 18 times 12. Can you find the product of 18 and 12 in 3 seconds? Let us try. Okay, what do you think is the answer? So here, for our multiplication trick number 1, we have to start multiplying the ones digit. So in this case, we have 8 and 2. So the product of 8 and 2 is 16. So that 16 will be the last 2 digits. So we have 1 and 6. After that, we are going to multiply our tens digit and then add by the digit in the tens. So in this case, since our digit in the tens place is 1, so we have to multiply it to 1. So 1 times 1 is 1, plus the digit in the tens place is also 1, so plus 1 to give us 2. So therefore, the product of 18 and 12 is 216. Let's try number 2. Can you find the product of 57 and 53 in 3 seconds? Let's try. Okay, again, we have to follow the procedure. First is for us to multiply the digits found in the ones place. So in this case, we have 7 and 3. The product of 7 and 3 is 21. And that 21 will serve as our last 2 digits. After that, we are going to multiply the digit in the tens. So we have 5 times 5 is 25. And then add by the digit in the tens, which is also 5. So we have 5 times 5 is 25 plus 5 will give us 30. So meaning to say that the 3 and 0 will be our first 2 digits. So the product of 57 and 53 is 3021. Now let's go to number 3. What do you think is the product of 69 and 61? I'll give you 3 seconds. Go! Okay, what do you think is the product of 69 and 61? First, we have to identify the last two digits by multiplying the digit found in the ones place of the two factors. The ones digits are 9 and 1, and the product of 9 and 1 is 9. Since we need two digits, so meaning to say that we have to write here 0, 9. Since 0, 9 is just the same as 9. After that, we have to multiply the digits found in the tens place of the two factors. 6 times 6 is 36 plus 6 will give us 42. So the first two digits is 4 and 2. So therefore, the product of 69 and 61 is 4,209. And finally, we have to identify the product of 94 and 96. Can you do it in 3 seconds? Go! Okay, what do you think is the product of 94 and 96? So first, we have to identify the last two digits by multiplying the digit in the ones place of the two factors. 4 and 6, the product of 4 and 6 is 24. So therefore, 2 and 4 are our last two digits. After that, we are going to multiply. 9 times 9 is 81 plus 9 is 90. So therefore, the product of 94 and 96 is 9,024. So there you have it, our first multiplication trick. We can only use this trick if both factors are two-digit numbers. Second, the sum of the ones digit of the two factors is 10. And third, the tens digit of the two numbers is the same. So when we use this trick, first is for us to identify the last two digits by multiplying the digit in the ones place of the two factors. After that, for us to identify the first two or the first digit of the number, we have to multiply the tens digit of the two factors and add by the digit in the tens place. Now, let's proceed to our second multiplication trick. So, let's have our second multiplication trick. So, in this trick, there are also three conditions that we are going to meet. First, both factors are two-digit numbers. So, in our examples, all the factors are two-digit numbers. So, check. The ones digit of the two numbers is the same. So, here, 1 and 1, check. 3 and 3, check. 7 and 7, check. 4 and 4, check. Number 2, the sum of the tens digit of the two numbers is 10. So, we have to add the digit found in the tens place of the two factors. 2 and 8, 10, check. 7 plus 3, check. 5 and 5, 10, check. 8 plus 2, 10, check. So, meaning to say that we have met all the conditions for us to use this second multiplication trick. So, in here, the first thing that we are going to do is to find the last two digits of the product. For us to find the last two digits of our product, we have to multiply the digit found in the ones place of the two factors. So, in this case, we have 1 times 1, and the product of 1 times 1 is 1. Since we need two digits, so we just simply have to write it as 0, 1. After that, we are going to find the first digit or the first two digits of the product. We can only find by multiplying our digit in the tens place, and then whatever is the product, add that by the digit found in the ones place. So in this case, we are going to multiply 2 times 8 is 16 plus 1, since the digit found in the ones place is 1. So 2 times 8 is 16 plus 1 is 17. So in other words, the product of 21 and 81 is 1,701. Now, so let's try number 2. I'll be giving you 3 seconds to find the product of 73 and 33. Go! Okay, what do you think is the product of 73 and 33? First is for us to find the last two digits by multiplying the digit found in the ones place of the two factors. 3 times 3 is 9. So the last two digits are 0 and 9. After that, we have to multiply the digit found in the tens place. 7 times 3 is 21 plus the digit found in the ones place 3. So 21 plus 3 is 24. So therefore 2 and 4 are the first two digits. So therefore the product of 73 and 33 is 2,409. Then let's go to number 3. What do you think is the product of 57 and 57? I'll give you 3 seconds. Go! Okay, let's find the product of 57 and 57. So first, we are going to find the last two digits by multiplying the digit found in the ones place. 7 times 7 is 49. So 4 and 9 are our last two digits. And then, we have to multiply our digit found in the tens place of the two factors. 5 times 5 is 25. And add the product by the digit found in the ones place. 7. So 25 plus 7 is 32. So therefore, the product of 57 and 57 is 3,249. Then finally, number 4. What do you think is the product of 84 and 24? I'll be giving you 3 seconds. Go! Okay, let's find out the product of 84 and 24. First, we have to identify the last two digits by multiplying the digit found in the ones place of the two factors. 4 times 4 is 16. So we have the last two digits, 1 and 6. And then, we have to multiply the digit found in the tens place of the two factors. 8 times 2 is 16 plus the digit found in the ones place 4. So 16 plus 4 is 20. So meaning to say that the product of 84 and 24 is 2016. So there you have it, our second multiplication trick, and we can only use this second multiplication trick if the two factors are two-digit numbers, the ones digit of the two numbers is the same, and the sum of the tens digit of the two numbers is 10. So we can do it by identifying first the last two digits of the product by multiplying the digit found in the ones place. After that, to find the first digit or the first two digits of the product, we have to multiply the digit found in the tens place and then add by the digit found in the ones place. So I hope that you have learned and enjoyed watching this video. See you again in my next video for our simple math tricks. Thank you!